Om Shakti Om Shakti Om 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 Om.
Thursday is observed as the day of Guru by many of us around the world. Let us contemplate a few questions on this special day dedicated to Guru. What is the supreme form of reverence, worship, devotion, and service that we can offer to our beloved Guru? Selfless service, charity, and being righteous is the answer. When we seek enlightenment from our Guru, we should have absolute faith and trust in him. We should totally surrender to his holy feet. Our beloved Guru knows our past, present, and future and can lead us on the spiritual path without obstacles. We are blessed to have our beloved Amma's guidance in every walk of our lives. The divine glance and the soil that his holy feet tread on is like the powerful sunlight. It has immense energy that can dispel the darkness and alleviate our sins. We should feel elated that we too are living in the same era in which the Holy Incarnation lives.
ஓம் சக்தி. தியானத்தின் போது உன் மனம் எங்கெங்கோ ஓடும். தளர வேண்டாம். முதலில் உன் மனத்தை ஓடவிடு. அது முதலில் குதிரை போலவும் மான் போலவும் ஓடும். பிறகு அது ஒரு நிலைக்கு வந்து சேரும். ஓம் சக்தி.
During meditation, your mind tends to wander off. Do not despair. Initially, let your mind stray. First, it will gallop like a horse and then run like a deer. Eventually, it will become steady. Om Shakti.
One does not have to battle the mind when it wanders. It can be allowed to wander. The untamed mind runs wild. With consistent practice and effort, the mind eventually becomes focused and one-pointed.
Here is a short story that brings out the essence of today's oracle. On a beautiful day, an elephant was grazing leaves. A small fly with a buzzing sound landed on the elephant's ear. The elephant did not look bothered as he continued eating. The fly flew around the elephant's ear, buzzing noisily. Yet the elephant did not heed the buzzing distraction. This baffled the fly and it asked, "Are you deaf?" "Not at all," the elephant answered. "Why aren't you disturbed by my buzz?" the fly asked. "I can see you restless and noisy. Can't you stay still at all?" asked the elephant, who then peacefully continued eating the leaves. The fly wanted to know how someone can be so calm and undisturbed. He asked the elephant, who had just finished eating, "Everything I see, hear, and feel attracts my attention, and all noises and movements around me affect my behavior. But what is your secret? How can you remain placid?" The elephant said, "Earlier, my 5 senses ruled my focus. After mindful meditation, I am in control of my mind and my thoughts, and hence I can steer my attention and ignore any distractions, like your noisy buzz, for example. When I eat, I pay attention only to enjoy my food and chew it better for easy digestion. I am practicing self-awareness and therefore I can stay peaceful." The learning from the story is, control your attention and you control your mind. They say that the greatness of a culture can be found in its festivals. We celebrate our glorious events through festivals which are reasons for harmony and peace. One such festival is Amma's birthday, which is on 3rd March and is always celebrated with grandeur. The significance of this grand festival is to honor our beloved Amma and remind ourselves and others about sharing, righteousness, and selfless service. It's a golden opportunity for us to count our blessings and to express our love, gratitude, and devotion for Amma by sharing one or more of the following. A 50 words write-up that starts with, "I love Bangaru Amma because," handmade wishes and greeting cards, a 15 to 30 seconds video from young devotees between the age of 2 to 22 wishing Amma. Let us show our gratitude in the form of written texts or audio messages or video messages. Please send in your entries to bangaruammaglobal@gmail.com on or before February 15.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the Bangaru Amma Global YouTube channel for more inspiring and uplifting videos like this one.